Here's the Oregon LM300 electric lawnmower. In this video, we are going to be putting it to the test to see what it can do. We started with the deck height at 3 inches and have the bagger installed. When mowing, we did have a little bit of cloggage in the chute, but that's to be expected with mowing wet grass. At this point, I only had to empty the grass bag one time. So now that I mowed roughly 3,000 square feet of lawn, I started to trim up around some trees and other areas. I decided to mow down some taller weeds and grass to see how the mower would do, and it didn't affect its performance at all. The bag finally filled up for a second time, so I decided to take it off, lower the cutting setting 1 notch, and try mowing without the bag. This spot in the lawn was a lot drier and we did not experience any clogging. Overall, I think this is a great mower. I definitely like the cutting adjustment height knob. It's only 1 knob you have to mess with. You don't have to mess with 4 other knobs like a traditional mower. And with it only weighing about 30 pounds, it's very light to maneuver and wasn't a hassle to push around. If you have a smaller yard, under 4,000 square feet, I'd say this mower is a good choice for you. I did mow a little over 3,600 square feet of lawn before the battery died, which is pretty good considering we were mowing some pretty tall and wet grass. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.